HandyHudsonite here, and I'm going to show you how to strip the gloss off of wood without sanding. Now I have another video that shows a product that I like to use for this. It's the sanding deglosser, or sander deglosser, made by Klean strip. And my wife and daughter stripped some of our cabinets last year so that they could paint them, and we were thinking that we were going to have to sand down the cabinets and it would take many extra hours to do it. And my previous video I talk a little bit about this sander and some of the benefits, and it looks like a lot of people wanted to be able to see a demonstration, so I'm going to do a simple demonstration on a couple of small pieces of wood. These aren't cabinets, it's just some wood I had laying around, so you can see how this works. Now before I get into the demonstration, we should say that you're going to need a couple of things. One being some sort of safety goggles. Other things you want to have are some rags that you want to make sure to clean the wood before you apply this Klean strip, and have a rag that you want to use with the Klean strip. Be prepared to throw this away if necessary, because it will get dirty. So let's get into looking at how this strips the paint off, the gloss off of a paint that's on wood. Okay, I'm ready to apply the sander deglosser. One thing I forgot to mention in the safety is wear some sort of disposable gloves, latex gloves for this, just to protect your skin, because this is a chemical. Now let's open this up and apply some of it to the cloth. One other thing too is you want to make sure to shake it up. Shake it thoroughly. Apply it to the cloth. Okay, let's put the cap back on. Okay, so now what you want to do here is just kind of rub in circular motion. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one side here, and maybe we'll be able to see how it compares to this side, just to see how it takes the gloss off of the wood. Now I know this is white colored wood, so it might be kind of hard to see. You'll see here you can see some of the paint is coming off on the cloth, so it is working. I'll go around and do this again. Okay. All right, so I will show you here. Kind of hard to see. Okay, so this is the side that had the deglosser applied to it, and you can tell that there's no more glossy finish on it. Now I'll show you the side here that still has the gloss, and you should be able to see the gloss coating on there. I apologize if this is kind of hard to see, but from my perspective it definitely took off the gloss here. So no gloss here, and then you still have the glossy finish on this side. And so the beauty of this is that this is ready to be primed and painted. So if you have cabinets, if you have a door, or anything that has a gloss on it that needs to be stripped off, then use this sander deglosser by Klean strip. It will definitely get the job done. So I appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below for more tips, hacks, and reviews like this one, so that you can get the job done. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.